Wipe your tears, take a breath. Lay your head on my chest. Let me hold you through the night. Yeah, the world can bring us down, but I still believe somehow it's all gonna be alright. Come what may, the highs, the lows. Well, this life will be hard, but you and me won't. When the waters rise and we face
Jasmine, thank you kasi nakilala kita. Thank you, dumating ka sa buhay ko. And hindi ako mangangako. Gagawin ko na lang na palagi kitang kukulitin at palagi kitang mamahalin sa panghabang buhay. I love you so much and
we'll have a few fights.
to road forever. To the road to forever. I love you.
Nagsimula tayo ng magkalayo at ang tanging kinakapitan lang ang ating mga pangako. Ngayon, humantong tayo sa yugtong ito at napatunayan natin na ang pangako natin ay hindi kailanman masakit. Kaya, sa pagpasok natin sa ating panibagong yugto, ito ang habang buhay kong pangako. Pangako kong unawain ka, pagsilbihan, patawarin, pagpasensyahan, patuloy na intindihin, manatili at maging tapat sa iyo sa lahat ng oras. At higit sa lahat, ang mahalin ka kagaya ng pagmamahal na naranasan ko sa ating Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Mas.
You, me, and Jesus. Come what may, the highs, the lows. Well, this life will be hard, but you and me won't. Oh, when it's time to say goodbye, we'll rest in our foundation. Hand in hand, on our knees, nothing between us. 'Cause in the end, even death could only lead us to you, me, and Jesus.